Hey folks, we're here. We're going to do an open the box on this Philips Hue 6-inch slim recessed light. This is first one I've gotten. They just came out. I'm going to compare it to, I have one right here. This is the non-slim that's meant to go in a recessed can. As far as I've been told, this one's not for a can. This is just for a hole in the ceiling. You can put it right up. So we're going to go ahead and open up this box. All right, let's get this thing open. This is what it looks like. All right, let me pull it out of the box. Whoa, and look how slim that is. This is pretty cool. Those are the clips to hold it up. All right, let's see. This is looks like instructions. Yep, manual, which you can't get online, so take a look at that. And then it just comes with, this is metal. That goes to that. Open it up here, and you got your wire connectors. Okay, looks fairly straightforward. You can just mount that up there on a 2x4 or something that's in the ceiling, and that looks like that's it. That's all there is. So there's not too much to this opening, but let's see here. This is again what it looks like. Let's compare it. This is the non-slim, completely different. Okay, and then this is the slim. So we're gonna install it and try it out in a little bit. But this was just the box opening, so there's the Hue box opening. For those who can't see the manual because they don't have it posted online yet, here's a look at it. I know I'm showing it quickly, but you can pause this video if you need to take a look at this. That's the last page. If you need it in the other language. All right, pretty cool. All right, well, thanks for watching my video. Hope you enjoy this. If you get it, let me know how you like it. I'm gonna get this installed, and we'll see how I like it. Thanks.